Osas, you be nyash, I swear. For 2 days, I call you, they pick your call. Then they walk you. No, they make me they run up and down. I even come here, I can't find you. I don't see you. Nobody see your brake lights. What you they talk? You they mad? I be like small picking.
What you are they yarn you? Na ya iti. Where I no feel me say yarn you. As I don't tell you before, what you are they yarn you na ya iti. Me and the boys don't move on with the plans. One person no fit stop us now. Time no day. Aluta continua.
Osas, you dey whine me? Which kind of whining be this one now? Which kind of talk be that one?
Calm down. Me, Osas, avoid you. Wetin wan happen now wey never happen before. You don't get anything wey wan happen now wey never happened before. Normally, as Ekelebe grab your sister, you supposed to hide your face now. I tell you now, but you no gree. But I just say Ekelebe don't free your sister. You myself don't turn to free agent too. I be alive.
That one no concern you. Last, Baba God no go shame us. They talk am say, Nyash no get teeth, yet still they cut shit. You understand me so? But I don't want to go deep. What did they saw? I want to know the plan. I guess did that deal. Talk.
Listen. I don't feel yarn you anything where no be Haiti. Yes. No be to create be the problem. But now the trekking way they inside, now it matter. Any dog we want loss. Any dog, any dog we want loss, you know they hear the whistle of the hunter. Zaram, I want to ask you again. Open then shall your elephant umbrella. I want to ask you again. Now who bail you from Ekelebe hand? Or you don't go sell us? You don't sell us?
Osas, let me dey ask that kind of question. I tell you, say that one no concern you. You dey hear me so? Anytime I do my personal life, no concern you. Why you dey tell me say I be like a rat? No. Since when I don't rat you out now, even if I want rat person, now you I go rat out give Ekelebe you craze. Osas, I love you. That you want me to take? I don't want me to come again. I don't fit do that kind of thing. Guy, play me tape. What's the stop? I got that next deal.
Boss, I beg no vessel. You know so get hit to pull this night. No time. Just discharge and we'll move ahead.
Oh boy, put you come your buka cavity. My family matter be this, I beg. Zaram, I will leave you for now. Until you tell me what I want here. Make you day your day, make I day my day for now. You dey hear me?
Oh yeah, wait. Your blood to the heart. Now our old man. The man won't make her be sugar baby. But no get am twisted. I never let her see my part. So no can fear.
Zarama, I no still believe you. Yes, great men for this life. Now woman nine by there. All them sons in there. All them abacha there. Now woman nine by there. So for now, day your day, make I day my day. If everywhere clear, we feel align again. You dey hear me?
Osas.
I say make your pochi come your buka cavity. No dey hear me?
Osas. See you boy, this is cute. Osas.
What we dey discuss before?
Boss, like this, everything done set. I make us strike the remain.
Time no dey wait for anybody.
Too much cinema. Who not know you not know yourself. You not believe?
Yeah,
I greet you, Baba. Your arrest cannot go fail you, cinema.
See that? I don't hear with you too. I beg make you go for now. Yeah, my matter discuss. They hear me, so they go for now. Yeah, matter will go for him before you enter. But you come your book out before you answer now or play now. No be here with now the talk.
Oh, wahala now.
So what will be the discussion before? Where we go, sir?
Boss,
Okay, no. You see they talk to that idiot. Eh? That Mugo Sas. Abi? Now your way. You still have something to do with a guy that keeps putting this family into trouble. Eh? What will be your problem now? You know the year when they talk to you, you
touch my phone. Which kind of nonsense with that one? And now you buy me phone.
Which one said I be buying phone?
I said they be like this, so bless your son don't block me. They touch no chance. I dey crazy. Don't touch my phone.
I don't want to see you with that kind of nonsense. I don't want to see you that they talk to you.
Shut up!
Don't talk to me. If you're serious that you respect me, then mad. Zaram.
Ibu wandema Zara, only you and Ibu wande Hello Zabwananda Zara, only you away from Regi Baramo Zara only you away comes in the joggy Zara only you
Obim, you haven't said anything to me since you returned. You abandoned me in the police cell and switched off your phone. Why?
Not everything is as it seems. I wouldn't have abandoned the love of my life.
So what happened, Daddy? Talk to me.
Kene, sometimes a man will have to do what he has to do.
How do you mean?
I went to look for money to end our troubles, our problems, but I was caught up by the wolves.
Oh, babe, it's okay. I actually thought you broke up with me because of my sister Zaram. But I want you to know that we have settled. We're no longer quarreling again. We're at peace with each other. Please, can you just come inside with me? Please, let's go home. Bikono. Oh.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of Inamo's beauty.
Daddy, please, where are you? What have you done to yourself? Daddy. Daddy.
Your beauty is inside. I just wanna get inside. Give me a chance to enter. Anytime you call, I go answer. Cause you want more than a million to me, baby. You are morning star. You have a good heart. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. Baby, more and more. Baby, more and more. I love your jumbo.
Ha! Oh, Sass. I don't believe say you cut me off like this. Oh, don't tell me say this guy ain't call for my
Why
ear.
now? Which kind to be this one? Why you go die number with my phone? You know that the police is looking for him. I know they like this kind of nonsense, so. Eh?
No vex. Make we stop today fight. You don't reach, you don't do. See, I don't mean any disrespect to but you, because you don't know, Sass, I mean you talk like this. I love the guy and I love him wella. So maybe they calm down.
Why you know what pick now? Pick your corner.
You know important.
See, wait, Zaram, wait. We need to talk. I best sit down.
My mood don't spoil.
Come now, me will talk, sit down. You said you want to do your body, sit down, me will talk. There's something I want to discuss with you. I had a very terrible nightmare. I saw Didi. Didi came to meet me in my dream and he died.
Now be the important conversation. Chicken went come up for Bonu, go Ibadan, go see end up inside soup. Don't they bother yourself, I
don't understand this thing. How do you mean? I don't understand what you mean.
It's very simple now. That guy know what your time, you know what your tears. Make you stop to distress your life. You guy know what time.
So now this guy thing you come dey say dey talk to me, say you know what my time. I don't understand. Person tell you say you see person for dream, you say you know what my time.
As you be Joseph the dreamer, you go find interpreter follow him now.
Now the thing they make me dey tire about you. I just tire for this your character. Very nonsense character. You know they carry body, no problem. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh?
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty of us.
Mercy, you know say you na my girl. From day one, you don't dey hold down for me. Right now, if I talk to you like this, when Osas when you talk to me again, be like saying you don't block me. I beg, babe. I love this guy, die. You know where people see him. You dey craze. I would rather cry than to forget about Osas. What's they worry you?
Please, I want you to stay out of trouble. Stay away from trouble. I'm not comfortable with all this your rascality in this village. We don't have parents. We have suffered enough. Avoid trouble. I beg. I beg you.
I don't hear.
No be say you don't hear. Oh. No be that one they talk so. You have to stay away from trouble.
I promise. I'm not going to enter trouble ever again.
Voila. We don't have parents. We have suffered enough. Avoid trouble. I beg.
Hey, no vex so. I know sir I suppose hold this one down for you, but you see this one? No. I gats do my mind. But that's not gonna leave me for another banning. I ain't mad. You know, go try.
Madam Joy, thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. It almost ruined my traditional marriage. But God made it in another way. Anyway, it's not your fault. Because I couldn't hear say they lock you for police station. But they come sweet me where? When I hear say they don't bring you out from say.
Madam Joy, thank you. You're such a good friend.
You too, you're a better person. You too, a better friend. Just that. I know that's your useless sister.
And Madam Joy, stop it. Now. Don't call my sister useless. Look, no offense. But I just realized that words are very powerful. I know I've been harsh on her, but please, no, they call my sister useless. Sister, I don't like her at all.
Me, you know best for me, yeah? I agree with you. I agree with you. But I believe so one day she go change. Eziokwu, she go change. She could become that better girl where you won't make her where she be now. How about your boyfriend, Dede?
My dear. Now, long story. Dede ran away. He left me. He said he was going to South Africa for a contract before the incident of my being locked up in the police cell. Can you imagine?
Men can never be trusted
at all.
Now your boyfriend, they do fine boy, they do this all like I love it.
It didn't tire me. It didn't just tire me. I don't just understand. See.
When you go shop, you need another.
Zara. Let's just enter another trouble. Zara.
This your sister said. No, this your sister.
Zara.
Ekene. Wow. Ekene. Don't tell me something to see for it.
Saram. Saram. Why are you crying? What is it? Talk to me. Hey.
I just see Osas for hotel with Mercy for inside room. Two of them they crash. Osas don't break up with me. Osas don't break up with me.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Everything will be alright. God of Osas. Who is Osas? That's Akpala. We don't get strength. I believe Osasi. Forget him. Don't worry, you will meet better people. You're a beautiful girl now. You will meet a very handsome man that will come and, come for you. Don't cry again. Now you fine. Now you be fine, girl. It's okay. You make me cry. I don't like this kind of thing. Don't. Everything will be alright. It's okay. You make me cry now. It's okay.
Why you smile muke like that?
Saram.
You try to release your face. As you smile now, you say you be like a better person.
Don't tell why just they think. There isn't so many things. In fact, with I want you now, since make I tell you, since I did this life, I don't calculate, I don't flash back, flash front. I swear, now you be the best thing that don't happen to my life.
Osas, you have sweet mouth, your sweet mouth there. So you want just begin to whine me. With this my wawa face, that be the best thing.
Come on for there.
I bet you respect yourself.
You know what? Forget the scar. The scar self even beautiful for my eye. I know if you lie to you now. With the idea you now, I know if you lie to you. See, make I tell you something. Zarame, I love you from the depth of my heart. You know what's in the hungry me. In fact, nobody say what's in the hungry me, what's go happen. The best moment where I go figure for this my small life. Now one morning like this, I just wake up. They look beside me, see you just they sleep beside me. For my mind, I carry say, now you could be the mother of my children.
Hey, yummy. I'm the sweet chat.
Yes.
I love you too now.
My baby. I can't wait for we to leave all this our rough work. Enter better mansion. Enter better mansion.
Because that's why you don't see mansion now, you go forget me.
See, no, I don't near me for love. all these things where we take for you and then they crack me.
Zaram. Good morning, my sweet sister. Hope you slept well. You hate to look at this picture. I just try to accept my faith. They try to accept myself the way I did. I hope you'll be fine. I did fine. Osas, tell me say my face war. Say he no fit marry me because of this mark when dey my face. But I know say in dey lie. The only reason when they cap nonsense be say in dey double date. When in dey date me, in get mind, see they date Mercy. Don't do. Just calm down, eh? Don't let that one bother you. Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this scar. I'm sorry for blaming you about Papa's death. Please forgive me. I know say me I did wrong. I beg, forgive me. No problem. But if they pay me BC. Osas lie to me. He tell me say he go always stand by me. But now I know say he dey lie because he no love me. He never ever loved me. But the painful thing be say he get mind, they sleep with me, they enjoy my body. The only reason why he make me even deal with her in the first place say I think say he go marry me, come on me for this place, separate me from you because I be no one day close to you again. You don't do. But now I know better. Look, you don't need to worry. Everything could be alright. Thank you. Thank you for everything you do for me. Thank you for how you did good to me, even when I did cause plenty kasala for you. You still stand by me. Thank you. But it's okay. Who am I to judge you? What I won't do? You know, say I just been there happy. I was so happy when you broke up with Osas. But see now, see what thing they happen between me and Dede. Dede promised me unending love. See now, what happen? Come. Why be say if I mention Dede name, you go do your face like this? Is there something you want me to know? Is there something you're hiding from me? Tell me. Zaram, please. See, I don't know if there's anything you know, just tell me because at this point I'm confused. I don't even know if Dede has broken up with me. I don't even know if he's in trouble where he is. I don't know. Just talk to me. Tell me. You remember the dream I told you about? I just get confused. Talk to me.
Hello? Hello? Don't worry, don't worry. I will be in South Africa soon. Yeah, don't worry, soon, Soon, you see.
Prince don't blow fire on your don't show. I talk him before. You be fake. Original fake.
Zaram.
Okay, name.
Breeze don't blow her, I don't understand.
But you dey fight for inside Sokoto.
Who be fake?
No dey for Sokoto.
I don't understand.
You be original fake. I hear him. You get girlfriend for South Africa. This is deaf. I hear.
South Africa. I don't know.
I go open my mouth too. Make I go.
South. You hear anything, South?
Okay.
Zaram, come. Zaram, no be say I be bad person.
See me be bad person.
You know I love your sister. But because of our condition, I just want to travel to South Africa. This girl promised me say, he go make me millionaire. Yeah, so I just need to go there, make money, come back and marry your sister.
After I don't chop myself, you won't go chop another one. You won't chop two things at the same time.
Money matter.
Guy, you be fake. You be fake. Original fake.
Zaram, I beg. No tell your sister. If you tell her, the thing will break her heart and it will hurt me too. Please. I beg you. I beg. Zaram, I beg. No.
So you hid this secret from me. Why? Because I be want to do you back. I be want to do you back because say you hate my relationship. But like I tell you before, I don't know better now. And I did sorry. No vex. I know I'm not supposed to do one. No vex. No vex. I did sorry. Take heart. Forget Dede. He know water.
I don't know, I just stay confused. I don't know.
You don't. We go there.
Zara, only you and you one hello Zara, only you.
What's it do?
Away from
I'm taking Dede off my mind.
That one good though. I mean, that guy. Now good riddance to bad rubbish. Since you don't make up your mind to come out, better for you. Anyway, no waiting me come be that. I just make a come tell you say I want to help you.
Zara, thank you, but this is personal to me.
Ha! What you concern me with overload? What are they talk? They different. You talk another one. Anyway, I won't come to help you to sew. I want to help you sew clothes.
You won't help me sew.
I still remember how to sew now.
Zara, I'm not ready for that right now. I am not sewing for now, please.
I know same material plenty when you never sew. So not gonna form this thing. Make I help you. I still remember how to sew. I be the first I go spoil them.
Oh, Zara, my mind no just did there at all. That's not what's bothering me right now. You know, Dede was part of me, so Zara, I beg, I'm not in a good mood right now. Please.
No matter what, you are still my sister. I know say sometimes I know too easy to live with, but you guys understand. That's how life be. Some people go enter your life, some people go come out, some people go stay. But sisterhood now forever. Anyway, I don't want to preacher man.
One thing I want to tell you be say, you know customers, they misbehave well. They fit change them for you at any time. If you don't give them their clothes now, you want to kelebe matter. I know artists are be so. I never forget how to sew. And besides, you go there to guide me. Any time when you want, I go help you run now. So calm down. Come on your mind from that guy when you know deserve you. Leave that guy. Make we run now. Make we run the clothes matter.
So you won't help me like this, so?
Don't make me come now. I don't ever talk anything I don't do.
That's good news. Thank you.
Oh.
That same person I've been calling you. Why you no one picking call? You just a rejecting call. Why? I've been at your new love interest. Tell me mad you know now.
You too like gossip.
You don't be sad to like gossip.
Too like I'm a butterfly. Say be the crying now, your eye don't they shine.
I beg Zarama, no just dey mood. No dey spoil my mood now.
Hey, they cool down. Later you go say that my blood they hot. Me and you hot pass.
Leave my room. Just leave my room.
But say if they busy now, my help you scrape am.
Come off from my room, I beg. Just leave. I'm not in a good mood.
Oh well, it's good to see that you both are doing just fine. Zaram, why have you been rejecting my calls?
Sir, please, I want to plead on my sister's behalf. Forgive her. You know, because of the scar on her face, she tends to avoid people most times. Please.
Thank you. You have spoken well. But honestly, I do take exception to being referred to as people by Zaram. I'm not just people to her. Of course, I know about the scar. Yet, it doesn't stop me from being attached to her.
Sir, please, I want to ask, how do you know my sister?
Zara, why didn't you tell me you were behind while I was set free from the police station? Huh? Because I go meet the man for help. And he tell me say he no go fit help unless he sleep with me. Eh? You say waiting. Waiting you talk. Can you imagine? This kind man, I be the kind man when go take advantage of girls. Yes, he will just take advantage of young girls and sleep with them just like that. It's obvious now. No talk that kind of thing. You know no one, no judge him. That man a good man. He no be bad person. He no be bad person, so you dey protect him because you don't fall in love with him. Abi? What did they do? No, you falling in love with him now. Which kind of talk be that one now? What did they bring this kind of talk come now? What be this one? You don't even see anybody join me. We're gonna join me with old man. Which kind of rubbish thing be this one now? Don't try and understand, but I don't like that kind of thing, no. Will you shut up your mouth? No, shut up your mouth! If you talk, I'm going to talk about you like that crazy. Now give you back, you don't know him. No talk anything about that. Not talk when they talk, but shut up your mouth. I'll give you back and they crazy. Eh? You're there pretending up and down. You're just there. You open you obviously you slept with him. Because if you didn't sleep with him, you won't be talking like this. What's your problem? I've taught you about decency, but you cannot comport yourself. You're like you're not gonna stay one place. Kene. Which one we can never come and I will tell you this thing one time and I no go repeat it another time. You see that man? Na better person. Me, Zaram, enter that man's bedroom, pull my clothes and naked. That man no put one finger for my body. You like you believe him, you like you no believe him. But no talk nonsense about that man because you no be bad person. Serious? Now Kene, you too dey vex now you. Suppose you control your temper. I know see now your younger sister, but control yourself. She don't sleep with the man. Now wow. Waiting. Sorry, I know I messed up. Forgive me, please. I know they vex for you. My problem be say you too dey fast. You too dey impatient. Wait first, I never finish. I still get talk for mouth. Another thing when they vex me be say you too dey quit a judge person. You go let me talk, abi no go let me talk. Why they come out word from my mouth now? Now you talk say when person they talk, you go let her land. You know come out word for the person mouth. So I won't talk everything in my mind. So everything they vex me. I want to talk since you want. Abi no one hear her. So let me talk finish. My talk everything they vex me. Anyway, then talk am say the best mirror na person best friend. Now you even tell me that thing say because I don't know whether na true or na lie. That one no concern me. But apart from this mark on my face so and my bad character, me and you na bestie. And as family one day we dey look out for each other. But this your difficult attitude na big problem to our peaceful family one we dey try build. I agree, you be my big sister and I respect you as my big sister. But you sef dey do plenty things. You dey make mistake plenty times. Somebody dey judge you. But that's when you do so. They judge me amount you don't know before. Why you do like that now? You just hang me. You don't judge me. Only you don't arrest me. Only you don't put me for inside cell. You even kill me join now. What did they happen? You don't do now. You know say this my.
I don't like ammo.
I dey try control my anger. I beg. I dey protect you, my sister. No want me anything happen to you. I beg. Forgive me.
I be small pikin. You dey follow me go everywhere when I dey go.
You not be my smallie.
So because of that now, anything you just begin to judge person, you not dey faster than your shadow. You said they calm down. They drink pure water, cold pure water. Maybe they cheat this your anger issues.
You don't do. You might help you sweep.
Why you go help me sweep?
Sweep.
Don't go you talk small.
You don't do now.
Don't respect yourself.
No vex now. No vex. Zaram, the vessel, the para.
Let me sweep it.
Sweep now. Sweep. They sweep. They go. Now what for you? How they sweep? They go now.
Protector. I bet they go.
Yeah, they go now.
They go now.
They won't forgive you.
I said I'll forgive you. What you want again? They go.
My sister, is stubborn.
Protector.
Ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know keep on well, we go help you. If you know keep your teeth. If you know keep your teeth. If you know keep on well, we go help you keep on. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everybody is suspect. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep on well, we go help you. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep your teeth, if you know keep on well, we go help you keep on. No gentleman, now what's on be this? Hold on, one day. On your lalo kula, bule boya. Hold on, one day.
Hey, wait. What did I do like this? So?
Hey. Hello, pumpkin. You're awake. Beautiful.
Not trying for your life. Don't call me that kind of thing next time. Which kind of talk be that one now?
Hey, slow down. We had a very sweet night, okay?
Sure, you see this face? You see this face? I will only talk this thing once. If you ever near me again for your full life, I swear to Almighty God will create me and put this word thing for my face. I will kill you. But if I kill you, I'll fair accuse you say you won't molest me. Idiot.
Come on. What's the rush? Come.
Come on, don't touch me again. So do this.
Only you. Zara, only you. Away from Regi Baramo. Zara, only you. Away comes in the joggy Baramo.
Where did this girl sleep last night now? Eh? Saram. Where she go enter? Sky one after this one. Eh? Hey. There is joy in my heart. It is flowing like a Zaram. Zaram, you didn't pick my call. I waited for you all night. Please, can you just talk to me? Look, I'm not here to judge you. I just want to make sure that you are fine, you're okay. Please, talk to me. Look, whatever it is, just let it out. We're in this together, please. Calm down. Please, just calm down. Please. Calm down. What's happen now?
You never hear the news?
Which news?
You didn't hear they hug your sister. Osas and a gang, police don't neutralize all of them. And they talk to you now, so all of them don't dapa.
Zaram.
Ha.
I know you love Osa so much. Please. I know you love him, but you just have to bear this pain.
I know they cry because of Osas.
Zaram. Waiting now.
You dey do what you and this your sister. I dey tell you the latest way they happen
Sit down.
for the get to the turn say wetin happen. At least this one now so if you go fit dey sleep dey close
You dey hit me self now, wow.
Sorry, no vex. We fit dey drink water dey drop cup now. As police don't come now, don't carry Osas and all those useless gang them come up for area. It better now. At least person go fit breathe, sleep well.
I don't hear you.
No better thing now.
No better thing.
No better thing.
Wow! Come in. What a pleasant surprise. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Well done, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, please sit down.
Thank you. Hey, God. Thank you, sir.
It's okay. Please, what do I offer you, ladies? I have everything. I have champagne. I have wine. What do you want?
Sir, I actually came to thank you. Zara, my sister, told me that you're the one that helped set me free from the police cell. Thank you so much, sir.
God
bless you, sir.
Please don't do this. Don't do this.
God, I don't know how to thank you, sir.
Kene, please sit down.
Okay.
Listen, I care for Zaram so strongly, and because of that, I am willing to do anything I can to help. Okay?
Thank you. I know Vesa know they pick your call. See, God bless her, they avoid your call. You know intentional. The thing be say, me and my sister, when they get plenty fights. And I can't begin feel guilty. Now I make. No vex.
But no one can blame you for doing the necessary thing to save your sister, to protect your sister. And that's one key attribute of yours I admire so much. You love.
Yes, we get them. We have this now. See, Billionaire, they praise me.
Don't be small.
See us.
Not be smarty.
Zaram, another key point of yours I admire, your sense of humor.
Wow.
Now, ladies, I would love you to do me a favor, that's if you would mind.
Ask anything, Dikeh.
Dikeh, ask now.
Okay, it's this simple. I would love us to go to the market, get some food stuff, and let you make me a pot of soup. Please do not be in a hurry to go. Don't say no. I will pay anyhow.
Oh no, sir. I have a client to. I have clients to attend to. I want to drop clothes for them now. So, which one be Kenny now?
No.
I don't understand you.
They talk am say one good turn deserve another. Now this man I help you when you come up for sale. If you still dey inside say for the top clients matter. If na pot of soup you can't take pay am back, that one don't mean anything. Yes.
So make I not attend to my clients.
Which client? Those your client when no get sense.
I know you dey
and
crazy.
if you even breathe say the thing cast, this man get the money to take pay all those your stupid client no get brain.
God, don't let me forget my hand to
your
your face.
those your customer no get brain.
Behave yourself.
They no
Now
get
be your senior
na
sister.
me talk am. Put water for my talk am.
See.
They carry senior star go back go dey collect money. See the worry this one sef.
No, that is
You
how we
respect
play.
yourself.
That's how we play.
Okay.
Yeah.
From Zaram's words and the look on your face, I take it.
Yes.
That is a yes. Good. All right, ladies, I will just go in there, change into something a bit more casual, so I can drive you to the market. We buy things and we come back ready to cook.
Oga, abeg wait first. You say you won't come out. I think say you dey come out as we dey come in. You said you were going out now, so let's go out together now. Understand?
Kene, you see, I was actually on my way out before you came. But how would I still want to go out when these two lovely ladies, the lady that I'm so much engrossed in, while you're here, why would I want to go out again?
Okay, if you go change.
And I'll join you both in the kitchen while you cook. I miss it. Zaram, I'll be right back.
Wait till you say you dey do.
Say what?
No, wait till you say you dey do.
I for leave you for
You
inside
just
that
meet man, you won't cook for her.
He don't marry you.
He don't marry you.
Make you know I like
you won't go dey cook.
My daughter, you need to listen to me. Running away won't fix anything. Huh? Yes, I know. I failed you, but I'm sorry. Flourish. Hatred and unforgiveness has done more harm than good to this family. Why do you keep letting it tear us apart? Huh? Listen, my baby. You just have to come home. That's all I am asking. Come back home and see your father. I trust your judgment, but please come back home. Have you ladies been eavesdropping on my call?
Hey, Dikeh, why go dey eavesdrop? I just say make I play come check on my love. You know now.
That's okay.
See, I'm going. I no tell you. I tell you say he na better person. He no get mistress when you wear. Now breeze don't blow, fire on yash don't show. You don't see her now so. See, Dikeh, she tell me for inside kitchen that one you run come out with your phone. What do they do? Because I will sit tell her wait first. Because tell me say you get another woman for your life. Now I tell her make she can't draw come outside, come they peep, come they look you, I can't follow her come outside. But I know say you better person, you got another woman.
You see, I lost my wife to the cold hands of death years ago. And the only daughter, the only child we both shared, Flourish, has kept malice with me since then. I have missed the love, the joy, getting into the kitchen as a family. And this is something you both have brought to me. That family bonding, that familyhood. And I want to make the best, the most out of it. That is what I want.
My soup different. I go check her. Let's say don't the box.
Okay, thanks, man. I think I will spend that was Zara. Please try not to be too harsh on your sister. I'm sure she's only trying to protect you.
You know what if you say I be a monster? Dikeh, you go follow me go kitchen, she go soon burn this house down. I don't get money.
I'd love to.
Nobody will do collateral.
Come on, wait for me! Wait!
Azaram, it doesn't feel proper. You shouldn't be throwing yourself at him. It don't make sense. Eh?
Kenny, what you know realize be say, this your controlling attitude. When they make you feel like say you be God, they make it hard for everybody to stay around you. Oh, you don't know? As you know, make I tell you.
I don't understand.
What you know they understand? Let me talk finish you to the hurry. Even though say I no like they do for everything when he do for you, but he tell me say 2 things make her run come off for where you dey. Make her just open up today. He talk say first one be say he won't come out, go make money, make him come back, come marry you. But second one, when blessing nice strong with your bonge one be say you two dey control am and it thing don't tire am. He can run come out. No vex say I just talk like that too.
No. I'm not angry. It's just that I'm scared. Remember the dream I told you about Dede's death? That he was killed. I don't know if he's in trouble or he needs help. I'm just confused.
That be your problem, so you always dey confused. Unconfuse yourself. Let everything don't happen for past. Make it stay for past. No, they bring past come present. I better leave this talk. I don't tell you this man come chop.
Oh.
Okay.
So far it sounds already. I'm so sorry I wasn't part of the cooking. Huh? My only daughter who is away in the States and has been keeping malice with me for so many years just called.
Hey, yeah.
Yes, and I believe it's the good spirit in both of you that reached out to her. Wow. This vegetable soup is simply amazing. You ladies have finally outdone yourselves. Oh, Kene.
Sir. Excuse me, sir, just a moment, please.
Kene. Dikeh, don't worry. Yeah, she did get a traumatic experience. Her boyfriend leave her on go Saudi. You know how they be now.
Oh, shy. Oh well, I do hope he does come back for her because Kene has a very good personality. She's indeed a good young woman.
Yes, my sister is a good woman, but make him no come back. Me, I no go fit use this thing to chop am. I won't wash my hand.
Go ahead, but you need to learn how to use the cutleries. There's a sink.
Okay, thank you.
Well, ladies, I don't often speak about this, but the reason I care for Zaram too much is because she reminds me of my late wife, Ada. Yes, Ada was quite a remarkable woman. She was cheerful, very caring, very friendly, but she fiercely protected her family. Yes, Zaram, you have that same spirit, that same attribute. You love with your whole heart, and you fight for whatever you believe in. That is spectacular. That is unique. That is a wonderful attribute in a woman.
Hello? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Back there at the dining, your expression wasn't gay at all. And your sister did make mention of your boyfriend, the one who traveled to South Africa.
Hello, Zaram baby. It's me, Ejo. Do you remember me? I have been dying to hear your voice.
If you tell me you saved my number, safe. I take you collect my number. You take crazy.
You gave me your number when we met that night. You know, we had one night fling, and you probably don't remember, but listen, Zaram, I don't want to upset you. I don't want you to get angry with me, please. I need you to understand. I love you. You're so special to me.
You don't speak English again. Which one be respect? Which one be care? You dey mad? Guy, you don't know me. I will want you street respect your full life. In fact, if you dare call this number again, I swear to God, I will kill your full generation. I will burn you natural. I will say poto. Idiot, don't call this number again. I will block you.
What's the meaning of this? Why would she block me now? Come on, like a sweet child.
I love Zaram so much because she's a good-spirited person. Kene, I have a convention that I'm billed to attend in Europe very shortly. And I'm required to turn up there as a couple. Now, since my wife is late, and I've tried out single girls in this area, I can't find anyone who meets up my criteria, for appearing with me as a couple. Zaram does. Yes, I know Zaram is very stubborn, but she's not a bad person. I've looked closely at her. She's not a bad person. So I would love to take her out so I can transform her personality. That's if only she will accept to travel with me.
I dey interested, my love. I get interest for that when you just talk. My answer na very big capital yes. Yes now. Who know like better thing? Abi 12 una don dey exchange emotion and number. I calm down. I just dey talk. See, I trust this master with my life. You know if you try rubbish, I know what she fit do now. I bet when we dey go, I don ready.
It's a done deal.
See me so much. See me for Bodo you go.
Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. I'm happy being this close to both of you. Very happy.
Hey, I don't ja.
Only you. And you one hello, Zara, only you.
Yeah, hello? What? His South African girlfriend killed him, right? What? So what about his body? His mother would like to see it.
My friend. Guess what? My church just shared this beautiful fabric material for me, so... Ekene, don't miss her too much. She will come back. See, you know better say he even jackpot with that old man. Eh? Instead of you, they, one day they cry. Eh? You know better to not do this ghetto. What you say, go they follow these small boys, they do one or two. Eh? No worry, she could come back. Let make you they cry like this. Don't cry yet. Do yourself, don't cry. She will come.
It's about Dede.
What about Dede?
I just got a bad news. He's dead.
Oh my God.
Look at this. Look at this. I'm finished. Oh God.
Jesus. What is this? Oh my God.
God. God, what is this, Dede? I'm finished.
This is not fair. This is not nice at all. Jesus. Please. I know it's very painful, but please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Kene. Please, I'm sorry.
Dede, please, Dede, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for doubting your love. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Dede, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
In the most beauty of us, yeah. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo, baby, wanna.
Dede, you actually got this place for us.
Yes, I did. And I hope you like my sense of the beddings, the bedsheet, the curtains. Though I will still put other things on the wall, at least to beautify it more.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you. Kenneth, did you remember the first time I met you? You were multitasking, doing two things at a time, helping Zaram and helping the other man down the street with his vegetable store.
Yes, I remember. But you thought I was crazy, taking on so much.
No. I thought you were the most strongest and selfless woman I have ever met. Then I realized you deserve something better.
Dede, I think you have to stop. You don't have to keep doing things on your own?
I want to. Can I want to be that man that will do everything you've ever dreamed of.
I'm sorry, Daddy, I'm sorry. God, what is this? I'm sorry. Daddy, please. I'm tired. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm sorry. Hello, Zaram. Dede is dead. No, Zaram. Dede was killed by his business partner. Dede is innocent and I blamed him. I don't know what to do, Zaram. You need to come. I cannot bear this pain all alone. Please, you just have to come. I'm finished. Dede, why? Dede, I'm sorry. Dede, I'm sorry for doubting our love. Dede, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of Inamo's beauty of us. Yeah. I love your chapo. I love.
Wait, stop it.
Which one? Which kind of... Why was it? Thief! Thief! What? Bring my bag! Oh, bring my bag, thief! Thief! My phone, my ATM, my bag, my slippers. Thief!
Joy. They don't thief my phone and my ATM card. I don't feel rich, Zaram. She don't travel go abroad with Dr. Jaja. She feel they misbehave with that man. I don't know. I just worried. I just confused.
Sometimes person need to separate, stay alone to take grow. Even your parents not leave you, but see how you did now, you did okay. Now this same issue, now you get with your sister be this.
Zaram, na my responsibility. I need to protect her. Which kind of talk you dey talk? I don't understand what you dey talk. Seriously.
Anyway, I understand, but leave her. She go do okay. She'll be fine. You self you too cry too much. She go do okay. She'll be fine.
I'm tired. I don't know what to do. Did you just
Kene, you know what? It's okay. And just relax, eh? Make I find out. I sure say she did somewhere around.
Who's that?
Oh my God. Kene.
What is this? What did they do for my?
Kene? Kene, what did they worry you? How you go say you don't know me? If you don't know my face, you don't know my voice. Now me, Zaram.
Zaram? What happened? Now, wow. Zaram, this is a dream. I can't believe my eyes. Huh?
Zaram,
what else are you fine?
Kene. Kene, what be this? What do you do yourself like this? You dey talk thank God, thank God, thank God. Yes, God don't butter our bread. He used Dr. Jaja here, take butter our bread. After the couples conference, when he carry me go for Jan, he can't help me. We can't do face surgery. Can't make my face fine. Thinking if I come here, we go dey happy, everything go dey well. Only for me to come now, come meet you like this. Can you see they worry you? On a normal as Zaram be this, not be Kene. What be this one?
You? Hey, thank you, sir.
It's okay, Kene.
How you doing?
Kene,
Hey, God bless you, sir.
Thank you. Why you do me like this? Kene, why you do like this?
I
do
do
be this.
I do okay.
Yes, I am.
Kene, now you be this.
Don't worry.
Mommy now.
Well, I want you to know that from the very first moment I met your sister, I saw beyond the scarred face. Okay. Let's pass it down well.
Kene, what you do yourself like this? You know what, eh? Make I just come out you for here. Make we come out here. You know if we stay here. This place. Make we just come out here.
Where will they go?
We go somewhere.
Oh, no, I know they come out for this. I know they come out for this. No, for waiting now.
Kene.
I know say you don't want come out here because of the Kene. But see your life. This one na me. Na me sit down here, no be you, Kene. Wetin be this one now? Why they do like this? Dikeh, help me make we bath and go come out for this place.
Help me, sir.
Just pick up your feet. Let's put her in. Pick up your feet.
Well, I want to take a one now.
Okay.
Sure, sir, I didn't know myself. Okay. You come on, go away. This side or this side?
This way.
See, I'm fine. I don't hear what now. I'm fine.
Oh, style! Be model. Correct model.
Oh God. Stay where I can snap you. But which can stay down one?
I'm model.
No. Okay, stay well. Come back. Don't do like this.
Okay.
Get the way I take you inside internet.
Okay.
Sorry, do your hair come on like this. This one fine. Oh yeah, go change.
Ma, go change.
Go change your phone. Hi. I post one like this, internet don't blow, it don't scatter, it don't lock. Don't say Kenya has around to arrive. Finally. Hey Chris, who born your papa? They do another style now. Do another style. No. You will be fashion designer. How you do like this? Okay. You come, you do. No. See now, man's push. Okay. See, you come do like this. Fold your hand. You come look. You come smile. Okay.
So
yeah. Stay. No, nah. Relax your shoulder. Till you do like this. So. No, relax your shoulder. Yes. Na me make you fine. You dey see picture. Who dey look see pictures? See pictures. Don't do.
This photo, that's what I show you.
It did not shift. I can't whine abi.
Oh, now finish. Small. Yeah, move now. No. You see the pack. Carry and go drive.
Yeah, it gets us.
Carry
I
and
don't
go
see
drive.
when they match this place.
Yes.
I can't match them.
Carry and go drive.
Drive. Okay, for here.
Yes. Oh yeah, small. Can you do like this? Oh yeah, turn your hand come like this. Oh yeah, don't. Oh yeah, small. Can you wait? Now small now.
Okay.
Oh yeah, put up a pack. Carry your seat belt, wear am. Chook seat belt. What's with this one now? Now, how many times I go show you this thing now?
Sorry. Novice.
Turn your hand on this side. You don't do. If I say small, you go touch her once, rest.
I don't have touched it.
Wait, make this man pass first before you go jump and speak your cost make you call pay.
Mama, they go small.
I put oil for mouth they talk. Wait, 30. Wait, make this man pass first. Don't get money. Oh yeah, they go. Small. No, leave your hand steady. Leave your hand steady. They go.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Turn her again.
Okay.
Come this.
Like this.
Don't do not to carry and go side. Can it small? What you dey do like this? Don't carry your hand go side like that.
Okay.
She won't go side. If you reach also, you won't go side. You go put traffic gate on.
Okay. Where do you catch traffic?
Na me no finish school. Na me see the teach you. They go small. Na that place you go do. If you go just twist am, but we never reach. They go first. Can it? Oh yeah, don't do. Can I stop? Nobody. Thank you. You don't do another day. You go continue. You don't do. Come down. Oh yeah, put her for pack. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, come down. You find you walking. Come sit down here.
You can't move.
You know they move. Come down.
Okay, no they move.
Oh yeah, come this side.
Now I want to see one again. You like no pull eye, make you see. Take this one. No go spoil the dog. Okay.
You didn't do anything wrong. On the contrary, we were actually discussing on how to make your forthcoming birthday more memorable.
Thank you.
Yes, my darling.
I know say you better person. Dikeh, are they hungry? You never still cook. Kene, what do you cook?
I don't understand.
Are they hungry now?
Who you keep as your asking?
You did ask now.
Come, behave yourself. Come put
They
yourself with the whole meeting.
Not the time for meeting for this. Dikeh, are they hungry? I beg you don't chop.
I was actually waiting for you.
Oh yeah, don't come out chop.
No problem.
Oh yeah, more go chop.
It's okay. It's okay. Would you like to have a drink first?
No, food though. Hunger day.
Okay.